to do a unboxing video for the Galant. For those that may have noticed, it's been sitting in my driveway for a while now, probably for a month now. I'm having transmission issues again. I'm hoping it's a spring in the clutch that's broken. So I'm going to replace a bunch of parts which are in this box from Extreme Psi. Again, on Black Friday, I went through and bought a bunch of stuff for the Galant. I'm working on getting my welded diff transmission rebuilt. So import face-off is January 6th. So I'm hoping I lose this clutch, lose this transmission. Remember, this is the one that I just put in that was OEM rebuilt. I'm pretty sure I may have broke it or something's going on with it. I got stuck in the intersection and I really had to force it in the gear. So if it was the clutch, I could have ended up then breaking the transmission or breaking something in there, because after a while I can't get it in the gear. So this box is from Extreme Psi, and I spent a lot of money. This is a very expensive box. So let's go ahead and show you guys what I ended up ordering with the Black Friday deals that were going on. Remember, Extreme PSI is where I bought the OEM valve cover gasket kit, and I believe the belt cover. I can't remember what else I ordered on that shipment, but that's what comes to mind. So, lots of stuff. Closer. Alright. It's my receipt for all my parts. I guess we'll just go for the big guy. Alright. There it is. Ordered a competition twin disc, so that's what's going in the Galant, guys. I spent the money for a twin disc. That's my next step for the power that I want. Let's see. Woo-wee. Wow. Comes with instructions. It's pretty sweet. Comes with the throwout bearing. I did order an OEM one, which is in this box, so I don't know, this one looks modified, so I might have to use this one. I don't like using aftermarket throwout bearings. I like using OEMs, but this one looks modified, so I might have to use this. I'm not even open this. Something's in here. Very well packaged. It is. I'll bring the camera closer when I'm done. So, my competition twin disc clutch. I cannot wait. Remember, import face-off is January 6th. Hopefully I have this video uploaded by then, or before then I should say. Goes the alignment tool. This might be the OEM throwout bearing. Yeah. So this is the OEM throwout bearing. It is definitely different. So I don't think I can use the OEM one. But I'll ask around, I'll find out. Sent me some stickers. I already have one on my toolbox. So I'll just hold on to those guys. And let's see. This is another OEM part, and I'm trying to think what else I ordered. Oh yes. This is the nothing. I'm unboxing one of my boxes. Alright. My bad. Had to get that call real quick. But this is the master slave cylinder, if I remember correctly. I don't want no more transmission issues. I want this to be my fix, and that's it. Got another box. So my shift fork, ordered a new one because I could have bent my other one when I'm trying to force it into here. I ordered some fluid through them also for the transmission. And again, when I'm done unboxing all this, I'll bring the camera a little bit closer. I ordered 3 quarts. Hopefully 3 quarts was enough. Should be enough. Another one. And the pivot ball where the shift fork goes inside the transmission with the clip. So I'm replacing that as well. And some people might think this doesn't need to be replaced, but you know what? I wanted to replace everything. I'm tired of having transmission issues. I know it's a known common issue, but I want to at least go a year or 2 without needing to pull off the transmission. And this is the slave cylinder. I ordered one of those as well. And I believe it has the adjustable, let me see what it's called. Weird. Maybe not. Maybe I forgot to order something, but there it is. All my new parts for the Galant. Import face-off is coming up. Today is December 21st, and I'm still working on videos of the spare motor for my Integra. So if you guys are following that, that's still going along. Yeah, that's about it, guys. So I will lay this all out and bring the camera a little closer. But the Galant will be back on the road with a good transmission. It should be a mid 11-second car. Remember, it's gone to 11.9 at 120 miles an hour. So I'm going to go ahead and bring the camera a little closer and show you guys everything, but we get that done. Alright you guys, here it is up close. So thinking about it, this is probably the shift fork right here. So it came with that. It came with its own throwout bearing, but look at the throwout bearing. I'm not going to open the fork up. There's definitely a difference. And this feels very sturdy and heavy. So I don't know if we're going to end up using the OEM one or what it came with. I've had a bad experience with a competition clutch throwout bearing in my Sentra. So I don't know what I'm going to do yet. But there goes the OEM fork, master clutch cylinder, slave cylinder, something like that. I get them mixed up from time to time. There goes the one that bolts up on the transmission. Gear fluid. And this badass looking clutch. And the flywheel, of course, but damn, I'm excited. Now I just gotta wait for Jack's Transmissions to send me the parts for the transmission to get that rebuilt. The same friend that put this car together is the one that's putting the transmission together for me and gonna end up putting this on the Galant for me. I would do it, but I don't want any issues like I did with this one where I may not have adjusted the clutch correctly. That could be why this thing took having issues now. That could be why, because I didn't adjust the clutch correctly, because I didn't know I had to. But there it is, guys. Again, shout out to Extreme Psi. Thank you guys. You guys always help me out. Pretty soon this car will be back on the road. Hopefully you guys will see that import face-off for those that are local. But don't forget, guys, like, subscribe, share the video. Pretty soon that guy will be back on the road. And yeah, there's more plans before IFO, but I'll save those for later videos. Don't forget, today is December, what's today? December 21st, so thanks guys. Hope you guys liked the video. And I know I can't wait to get these parts on and get the transmission fixed, get the welded diff on, and see what happens from there. Alright, thanks guys.